In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Adobe Illustrator language to English. We'll use the recommended method that updates the Creative Cloud installation language and then reinstalls Illustrator so the entire interface menus, panels, and tooltips shows in English. This works on both Windows and macOS. And it's the cleanest way to switch languages without hunting through in-app settings. Start by opening the Creative Cloud desktop app. If you don't see it right away, look for the Creative Cloud icon in your menu bar on Mac or the system tray on Windows, then click it to bring up the app window. Once it's open, go to the top right and click the account icon, then choose Preferences. This is where Creative Cloud controls how new apps are installed, including their language. In the Preferences window, select Language from the sidebar. Under Default Install Language, pick English. You'll see options like English International or English North American. The difference is mostly spelling, and Dictionary Style International uses variants like color, while North American uses color. Either will give you a full English interface, so choose the one that matches your preference or regional standards. When you are done, click Done to save the change. This setting applies to future installations, which is why the next step is important. Now uninstall Adobe Illustrator. You can do this directly from the Creative Cloud app. Go to the Apps section, find Illustrator in your list and select Uninstall. During the process, you may be asked if you want to remove app preferences. Keeping your preferences won't prevent the language from changing. So choose whichever option you are comfortable with. The key here is that changing the install language only affects new installs, so removing the current installation is necessary. With Illustrator uninstalled and your default language set to English, reinstall Adobe Illustrator from the Creative Cloud app. Go back to your apps list. Locate Illustrator and click Install. The download and installation might take a few minutes depending on your connection. When it finishes, launch Illustrator. You should now see the entire interface in English, matching the variant you selected earlier. If anything still appears in the old language, double-check that the default install language in Preferences is set to the English variant you want. Then repeat the uninstall and reinstall steps. That usually resolves any mismatch. And that's it. Thanks for watching.